In this video, we will look at how to go about choosing and developing your research topic. Some students think that you choose a topic and then start your research, but choosing and developing your topic is part of doing research. So give yourself time to explore and learn about your topic, and remember to start your research process early. As you develop your topic, think about a question that you are interested in trying to answer. For some of your classes, your professors will give you a starting point for your topic. For some, you'll have the freedom of choosing your own topic. Either way, write about something that is both interesting to you and that meets the objectives of the course. Often, you may not know much about a topic, which can be exciting or nerve-wracking. To get started and learn more about your general topic, consult your required readings, as well as reference sources such as Wikipedia and other encyclopedias. The library has many specialized encyclopedias that are great for this step, and most of them are available online. Once you know a bit more about your topic generally, it's time to focus and refine it into a meaningful and manageable research question. Start with a bit of brainstorming about what interests you the most. Write a few things down on a blank sheet of paper. These words and ideas will help you formulate a good research question. You want to find a research question that is not too broad, which would leave us drowning in too much information, like, how is climate change affecting society? But not too narrow, which would leave us struggling to find enough meaningful literature, like, do Gen Z Montrealers believe climate change is a hoax because they follow questionable social media personalities? The question has to be just right to support a strong and interesting perspective on your research topic. Something like, how does the media contribute to the phenomenon of climate change denial? The who, what, where, when approach can often help bring you to a good research question. The who question asks questions like, who is affected or affecting others? What groups of people care about this topic? The what question asks things like, what aspects will you focus on? What issues or challenges do you care about? Finally, the where and when questions ask, where and when is your topic situated? In a certain country or social setting, in the past, present, or future? Here is an example where technology in society is the broad topic, but it can produce many research questions using the who, what, where, when method. In the first example, we could ask, how can university makerspaces contribute to attracting women to technology? Whereas in the second example, we could ask, what staff development approaches have North American companies taken to increase technology skills in their workforce? Once you have a good research question, a little bit more thinking can help. For example, who is interested in this topic? Is it scholars, researchers, professionals, governments, companies? Do they publish books, journal articles, news articles, reports, data? Thinking about what types of information will be available for your particular topic will help you choose your search tools and search strategies. Don't worry though, if you're not sure, just ask a librarian. Having turned a topic idea into a clear research question, and with a sense of the types of publications you might need, you're well on your way. But be aware that as you find and read more materials, you might tweak or refine your research question again, but this is all part of the research process. Research is often cyclical, and rethinking and reworking is often part of researching. If you have any questions about choosing and developing your research topic or any other library-related questions, ask a librarian.